use mask and use sanitizer and wash your hands regularly. Okay, this is very helpful to our health. Okay, come to the class. Now, what we studied in the previous session? Squares and cubes in any positive integer. Now, in exercise 1.1, fifth sum will be left now. That I will explain now. What is that question? Show that one and only one out of n plus 2 or n plus 4 is divisible by 3. Where n is any positive integer means 3 numbers are there. What are that? n plus 2, n plus 4. n plus 2, n plus 4. In this 3, any one will be divisible by 3. Any one is divisible by 3. That we have to prove. Means which one? Is it n is divisible by 3 or n plus 2 is divisible by 3 or n plus 4 is divisible by 3? That we have to prove. Now, solution. So, according to this Euclid algorithm, what we can say? Any positive integer can be in the form of 3q plus 1, 3q plus 2. So, we are using that forms and we are substituting that forms in this. Then we will see which one will be divisible by 3. So, write down. Any positive integer is in the form of, I am not saying that positive even integer or positive odd integer. I am saying only what I am saying, any positive integer, not even or odd. Any positive integer in the form of what? 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Okay? In this form it can be in this 3 that positive integer can be exist. Now, case 1 we will see. Case 1, n is equal to 3q we will take first. In case 1, n is equal to 3q. So, n is equal to 3q which is divisible by 3. For example, if you take q is equal to 1. Q is equal to 1 means what you will take? 3 into 1. 3. So, 3 is divisible by 3 only, no? So, if you take n is equal to 3q, the 3q will be divisible by 3. N is equal to 3q where if n is equal to 3q which is divisible by 3. Now, again, case 2. Now, again, n is equal to 3q. We took now n plus 2. N plus 2 is equal to 3q plus 2 will take. So, 3q plus 2 will be divisible by 3. We will see. Now, suppose if you take 3q, q is 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5. 5 is divisible by 2, divisible by 3. No, you are getting the remainder. So, it leaves how much remainder? 2. 3 ones are 3, 5 minus 3, 2, you will get the remainder. So, if you take n is equal to 3q, so n plus 2 form. Now, n plus 2 means 3q plus 2. N is equal to 3q means n plus 2. For plus 2 you added. So, here also plus 2 we are adding. So, if you take q is equal to 1, what you are getting here? 5. 5 is divisible by 3? No, it leaves 2 as the remainder. So, which leaves 2 as the remainder when it divisible by 3. Remainder when it is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Okay. Now, so it is not divisible. Now, next one is n plus 4. Now this understood now? Now n plus 4 will take now. Now n is equal to what we took now? 3q. Now plus 4 I am adding. So here also 3q plus 4. Okay. So suppose 3q if I take 1, 3q plus 3 into 1 3. 3 plus 4 7. So again what you are getting the complete division? No. So the 3 is not divisible by 3 is not divisible 7. So what the remainder you are getting? 1 as the remainder you are getting. So this how can we divide? See this you can write like this, no? 3q plus 3 plus 1. Why? Because 3 plus 1 is 4. Now in these two terms I am taking 3 as the common. That is q plus 1 plus 1. That is plus 1. 1 it leaves as a remainder. Okay. So n plus 4 leaves 1 as the remainder. Remainder when it is divisible by 3. Okay. So in this case only 3q can be divisible. That is n is divisible. So in case 1 n is divisible by 3 only. Therefore n is divisible by 3 but not for what? N plus 1, n plus 2 and n plus 4. In this case only it is divisible by n. Now case 2 we will see. In case 2 you have to take n is equal to 3q plus 2. 3q plus 1 second one. Now in case 2 we can take case 2 n is equal to 3q plus 1. In case 1 we took n is equal to 3q. In case 2 we are taking 3q plus 1. Now see 3q plus 1 will be divisible. If you apply q is equal to 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4. 4 is divisible by 3? No. It leaves the remainder as 1. So therefore n plus 2 first n will take. N is not divisible. N value we are taking as 3q plus 1. So 3q plus 1 is divisible by 3? No. So that's why what is n? N is not divisible by 3. N is not divisible by 3. It leaves 1 as the remainder. Okay. Now n is equal to what we took now? N is equal to 3q plus 1. Second one n plus 2 we have to take. So plus 2 we are adding. So n plus 2. So n value is 3q plus 1. Again plus 2 will come now. Now 3q plus 3. 3q plus 3 will be divisible by 3? Yes. Why? Because if you take 3 as the common, 3 of q plus 1. Is there any remainder is left? Not left, no? Here 0. 0 is the remainder. That's why. Therefore, n plus 2 is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Now, take n plus 4. This understood now? First we took 3q plus 1. It is not divisible. Now, n value we took, n value is 3q plus 1 means n plus 2 is Here for n plus 2 we added. That's why here also plus 2 we added. Okay. Now n is equal to 3q plus 1, n plus 4. For n I am adding 4. Here also you have to add 4. 3q plus 1 plus 4. n is equal to 3q plus 1. So plus 4 here added means here also we have to add 4. Now 3q plus 4 plus 1 5. So if you take q is equal to 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 5 8. 8 is divisible by 3 without any with remainder as 0? No. So how can you divide this one? 8 like this you are getting means 3q plus 3 plus 2 you can divide to. Remainder we have to make it separate. How much remainder you are getting you have to show no. That's why we have to divide this 5 like this. Now in this 2 what is the common? 3 is the common. So q plus 1 plus 2. So plus 2 means 2 you are getting as remainder. Now 8 you are getting no total. 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 2 you are getting remainder. That only we are showing here. So n plus 4 is not divisible by 3 and leaves how much? 2 as the remainder. 2 as the remainder. Okay. Now case 3 is left. What is that? 3q plus 2. Case 1 n is equal to 3q. Case 2 3q plus 1. Now case 3 3q plus 2. Now case 3 n is equal to 3q plus 2. Why we are taking like this 3 cases means 3 terms is given. So you have to use the any positive integer is in the form of q 3q plus 1 3q plus 2. Suppose 4 terms is given, we can take another form 3q plus 3 also we can take. But here 3 only there, that's why we took 3 only. Now n is equal to 3q plus 2. Now this will be divisible by 3 or not? Apply q is equal to 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 5. 3 ones are 3. 5 minus 3 2 you are getting as remainder. 2 you are getting as remainder. So n is not divisible by 3. n is not divisible by 3 and it leaves how much as the remainder now? 2. It leaves 2 as the remainder. Okay. Now next n is equal to 3q plus 2 we took. In this plus 2 we added. So here also we have to add 2 no. So n plus 2 is equal to 3q plus 2. Here plus 2 added. Here also we have to add plus 2. Okay. Now how much it become? 3q plus 4. Now apply q is equal to 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 4. 7 you are getting. So 7 is completely divisible by 3? No, it is not divisible. No. How much you are getting as remainder? 1. But here 4 is there. So you have to show the 1 as the remainder. Now how we can divide 3q? This 4 we can divide it like this. 3 plus 1. Why? Because in these 2 terms I can take 3 as the common. That's why I divided this 4 like this. Now 3 I am taking as a common. Q plus 1. Now see 3 into q. 3q plus is plus. 3 ones are 3. Now plus 1. Now 1 is separate no? That is remainder. Therefore, so what we can write? n plus 2 is not divisible by 3 and it leaves 1 as a remainder. 1 as remainder. Now last one. Now understood now? Now last one n plus 4 will take. n is equal to 3q plus 2. Now what we added for n? 4 we added. So n plus 4 is equal to 3q plus 2 plus 4. Now 3q plus 6. Now apply q for 1. 3 ones are 3 plus 6. 9 you are getting. So 9 is divisible by 3? Yes. It is divisible by 3. You are getting remainder as 0. So this you can write it as 3q. But you have to show that remainder 0. No. Here 6. It should not be like that. So how we can divide this 6? How we can divide this 6? Directly 6 it should be. We can take common like this. How we can take common? 3 you can take common. Now q plus 2. Is there any remainder here? Plus after plus any number I wrote? No. So remainder not there. Therefore n plus 4 is divisible by 3. Okay. So therefore what we can write? What we can write? So in each case only one is divisible. If we take 3q, n is equal to 3q, it is divisible by only n. If you take n is equal to 3q plus 1, it is divisible by n plus 2. If n is equal to 3q plus 2, it is divisible n plus 4. So therefore n plus 4 is divisible by 3 but not n or n plus 2. N or n plus 2. Otherwise, if you are not seen properly, here I will write but not n and n plus 2. Understood clearly? Now exercise 1.1 is completed. Okay. Now one bit on I gave. Please try this one. Note down homework. Prove that square of any positive integer, square of any positive integer is in the form of 5q comma 5q plus 1 comma 5q plus 4 for some integer q. For some integer already we did square in third or fourth problem we did no square. So in that 3q given, here I given 5q. So